and welcome to Google Drawings in 5 minutes or less. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you all of the important functions that you need to be able to do within Google Drawings. So in Google Drawings, there are two areas that you're going to be concerned with. There is a center area, which is your canvas or the piece of art that you're working on, and up here, which is your menu, which shows all of the different options for functions that you can choose. First thing that I'm going to show you how to do is how to insert text into the canvas. So for this assignment in particular, and for many others, you may need to insert text. So that's the first thing we're going to look at. To insert text into your Google Drawing, you're going to come up to your menu and click the Insert option. You're then going to choose Text Box. You will then come up with this little plus sign icon, and you will then drag that icon using your mouse to the size that you'd like it to be. For this example, I'm going to show you here how to make it the size of our bio. You can then edit your text just like you do in any other Google application. I made mine a little smaller, and text Instagram bio here. Type as much or as little as you like, and again, you can edit the text font, color, size, etc. the same way you do in any other Google application. The next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to insert an image. Now you're going to go up to the same tab, Insert, and instead of choosing Text Box, you are going to choose Image. Now you have a few options for how you can insert that image. You can either upload it from your computer if it's a file you already have saved, or you can search the web. You also can pull it from your Google Drive, your Google Photos, or from your camera, which is less likely something that you're going to want to do since you're working from the Chromebook. I'm going to show you how to search the web to find one because I think that is one way that you guys will like to do it. So let's just say I want to show an image of an ice cube. You will search over on this right, and as we see, it brings up the wrapper more than it does the actual ice. That's okay because I'm going to scroll down and find the one that I like. So here's an image of ice. You are going to click on that, and down in this corner there is going to be an option to insert. You will click the insert button. It might take a moment. It says creating image, and eventually it will post that image right into your document. There it is. Now in order to resize that image to make it smaller or larger, in this case smaller, you simply grab that little blue square in the corner and you can drag it to the appropriate size. Okay, in order to move that image around, you simply hover over it until you get this little addition sign with the arrows, and you simply select it, hold your mouse, and you can drag it wherever you'd like to put it. Okay, next thing I'm going to show you is how to insert a shape. So you may also at times want to insert shapes. You may want to circle something, put a square, etc. You're going to once again come right up to that insert, and you are going to select shape. Now you have tons of options. You can select shape, arrows, callouts, equations. Okay, we're just going to select a simple shape for this example. Let's pick a circle. You are going to get that same plus sign icon in just the same way we did to insert the size text box that we like. You're going to click your mouse, hold it down, and simply drag to the appropriate size that you like. Okay, now in order to change the color or the outline color of your image, you are going to select it with that icon until these blue squares are surrounding it. You then can come up here to the top, select fill color. You can choose any color that you like. Next to it, border color. You can select whatever color you'd like. And once again, in order to drag your image, you want to hover over it until you get this icon, and you can then drag it and position it anywhere within the drawing that you'd like.